Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Radio. Today's story is about one of the most valuable habits in life, discipline. It's called The Importance of Discipline. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a boy named Ryan. Ryan was very smart, but he had one big problem. He never finished what he started. He loved to dream big. One week, he wanted to learn the guitar. Then next week, he wanted to play football. Then he wanted to write a book or start a business. But every time he began something, he quit after a few days. His father often said, "Ryan, talent and dreams are good, but without discipline, they mean nothing." Ryan didn't understand. He thought, discipline sounds boring. I just want to do what I love. One morning, Ryan met an old carpenter named Mr. Thomas. He was known in the town for building beautiful furniture. Ryan asked him, "Sir, how did you become so skilled?" The old man smiled and said, "My boy, I've been doing this work for 40 years. Every morning, I wake up at the same time, sharpen my tools, and practice. Even when I don't feel like it, that's discipline." Ryan looked surprised. "You mean you never stop?" he asked. Mr. Thomas laughed gently. "Never. Success is not built in a day. It's built little by little, through daily effort." Those words stayed in Ryan's mind, so he decided to test them. He chose one thing, learning the guitar. Every morning, before school, he practiced for just 30 minutes. At first, it was hard. He wanted to quit many times. But he remembered the old carpenter's words. Even when you don't feel like it, keep going. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. Slowly, Ryan improved. His fingers became faster, his rhythm smoother, his songs clearer. 1 year later, he performed at his school concert, and everyone clapped for him. After the show, his father said proudly, "Now you understand, son. Discipline gives power to your dreams." Ryan smiled and nodded. He realized something important. Motivation helps you start, but discipline helps you finish. From that day on, Ryan applied discipline in everything he did: studying, exercising, saving money, and even helping at home. He learned that discipline is not punishment. It's a gift you give to yourself. Because discipline builds habits, habits build character, and character builds success. And now, dear listener, I want you to think about your own life. What is one thing you've always wanted to do? Maybe it's learning English, starting a business, writing a book, or getting fit. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for motivation. Just start and show up every single day. Even 10 minutes of focused effort, done every day, will take you farther than 10 hours, done once in a while. Thank you for listening to English Radio. If this story inspired you, share it with someone who needs motivation today. And always remember, discipline is the bridge between dreams and success.